Okay, I wanted to show you what I did actually in order to create an image for Canva. So if you're on your main page, when you click create a design, this is actually what shows up for you. So I chose to do an infographic, which is down here a little bit further. I chose an infographic. Whenever I chose an infographic, this is actually what came up. It's Ava Walsh. Well, this is not what came up. I clicked on this as a layout, Ava Walsh, because I like the timeline aspect, because in a lot of things in teaching we do based on chronology or some sort of sequencing. So I used this, and here's the infographic that I started to create. So I edited the text that said Ava Walsh, and I edited it to say American Literary Isms. I also edited the text under it because you can just double click and edit the text. If you notice that you're having a hard time editing something, maybe you've gone into and out of it one too many times, so it's just helpful to kind of click out of it and click back into it again, or hit your refresh button, because that's happened to me a few times. So see this picture of Jonathan Edwards? I actually added that picture by uploading an image to my Canva account, so it was my Mark Twain image that I added, and I also added a Jonathan Edwards picture because I wanted to incorporate that in my overall graphic that I've created. Also, you'll notice that I changed all of the dates to actual words, and these are all the different American literary isms. The timeline came with 6 of these lines, so I just copied and pasted the text box and also the line, because you can copy and paste those. Just double click on them and hit Command C and then Command V, and then you'll have created a duplicate, and then just move it where you need it to go. I don't need it, so I'm actually going to delete it. If you want to, you can download it, so I'll show you what that looks like. I'm just going to do a JPEG image. You can download that image, and then you can actually put that into a PowerPoint presentation, or you can choose to put it on your Canvas website. All sorts of places you could make a poster of it. So remember that Canva, you can use it as a teacher to create review materials for your students, or before the beginning of a unit. You could also have students do it, and 2 students at the same time could edit, well, not at the exact same time can they edit an image. One student could work on the image and then share it with another student who will then edit it on their own time. It's a little bit harder for 2 people to edit the same image at the same time, just so that you know. That is a little bit harder to do, and Canva has a hard time keeping up with that. But you can download that image. You can see that this is the image that I have for mine, and then you can add it wherever you want to have it. You could also make it a PDF if you wanted it to be a PDF. You can choose to add text. Just click on it. When you want to add it, just click on it and it shows up. So I can choose to edit this text. I can change the font size. I can change the font color. Yay, I want it to be white, so it's white. I want it to be red. Yay, there's red. I'm just going to delete it because I don't need it. So there are a lot of different fonts for you to choose from here that you can add to it, whatever you want to do. So hopefully you find this helpful. Remember, you can use it, your students can use it, you can download images, you can share images. 2 people can edit it, but it's hard for them to edit it at the same time. And then just use whatever layouts or whatever type of design that you want to. Actually, I don't want to leave that. Use whatever kind of design that you think would work with whatever it is that you're creating. So hopefully you find it useful and enjoy.